95 Camaro Z28. Man, this is somebody's dream car right here, man. All in the...
It's this a camera.
Got a stainless steel, Borla exhaust, fit the T-tops. I know y'all see the T-tops, man.
See, it's got the cold air induction for an SS hood. 17 years ago, it was driven where I parked it at the time. And
Hey, man, somebody gonna get this, man.
This recording.
Okay, good. That way I can, I can still pick what I want to do. Are you looking for a Chevy Camaro Z28? I got the perfect one for you. This for sale. It'll make a great LS swap project. Or you can leave the LT1 V8 in it and still be good. I want y'all to come check it out with me. But before we do that, if you like learning how to do LS swaps in old school cars, the most inexpensive, cost-effective way you can, without sacrificing quality or performance, then run like this. LS3 swap. Looking at almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on a dyno yet. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do that, YouTube. Step by step. Did our own fuel system. We show y'all how to do that as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Step by step. LS swap, baby. Let Chevy R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevy R Us, Tone. Got both donks in the garage now, man. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Going on YouTube. What's up, Mr. Roger? Mr. Roger, what it do?
how are you, sir?
All right, how you doing, sir?
Good, good.
Hey, Mr. Roger.
How you doing, sweetie?
Hey, man.
Long time no see.
Man, this is a
Well, this guy.
I am.
Look, man. Hey, she's still putting up with me, Mr. Rogers. She's still putting up with me, man.
Is this the prize?
Hey, this is the prize right here, baby. 95 Camaro Z28. Man, this is somebody's dream car right here, man. This is somebody's dream car right here, man. It's nice and clean, man. I mean, it need a little work, but some shampoo, man. Hey, this sucker will. Ooh, wee.
Got stainless steel Borla exhaust from the cat back.
Got a stainless steel Borla exhaust, cat back system. Wow, man. Man. Ooh, yeah.
No beam, no body damage.
I've had that thing at 145 miles an hour a couple of times.
Hey, man, somebody gonna get this, man. Hey, what you said, baby? Hey, look. Hey, stand right there in front of the car. That could be a good thumbnail, baby.
Wait. Let's open up the door.
Yeah. Hey, man, that's a good thumbnail. I'm recording, but all video is part of the thumbnail, baby. Hey, pop the hood, sweetheart. Pop the hood real quick.
Somebody busted I had a SS type film, and when it was parked, somebody.
Okay.
See, it's got the cold air induction for an SS hood.
Yep, cold air induction for the SS hood. This is the LT1 engine in it, y'all, man. Look, I mean, this is a solid project, man. It just need a little cleaning up. You can probably make the LT1 work on it and get it running right. Or, you know what Chevys R Us do? LS swap, baby. What say, Mr. Rogers?
Hey, it was 17 years ago. It was driven where I parked it at the time until I had to tow it home, maybe 5 years ago.
Okay.
And it's been here ever since. We put a fresh battery in it and sprayed some
Starter fluid
in the injector, and it tried to fire. So I'm quite sure the fuel pump has went out since it's been parked. But
yeah, so
with a fuel pump, I believe it would start.
Yeah. Let me ask you something, man. How long you had this?
Since 2000.
So this is a 97. 95, and you had it since 2000?
Yes.
And so you the second owner of this car?
I'm the second owner of the car.
Wow, man. Look at that, man. Once again, a 95 Camaro Z28. You know what I'm saying? With the T-tops. I know y'all see the T-tops. Hey, this is somebody's car, somebody's project, man. Look, if you're interested in this fine vehicle right here, man, hey, look, put your information out there in the comments. Put your IG out there in the comments, man, and serious inquiries only. You ping me, hey, I'll let you know. You can get this car at a low price. So if you're interested, hey, ping me, hit me up in the comments, leave me your IG or something, man, because I'm telling you, this is somebody's dream car right here, man. It's got every single piece to the car, ain't nothing missing from it. It's a running vehicle. It don't crank up right now because the fuel pump is probably gone. But I mean, the body is in very, very good condition. On a scale of 1 to 10, as far as restoration is concerned, I would give this car about an 8 or a 9, meaning it don't need that much, y'all. So, hey, y'all get at it, man. YouTube.